Okay, I'm working on my temperature gauge. So as soon as you start it off, it's hot. It's all the way hot. And I did everything, you know, sensor, check gasket, water pump, thermostat, all use original. And everything changed. It still does that. Then I do some research on Google. Everybody's car had the same problem. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix it, see if it works. So I'm not gonna say it's gonna work, but first you come in here, take your negative battery off first. And this thing right here, it just had two screws right there, right here. And you take two screws and pull it off. And then to get to the cluster gauge, you got two screws, full screw, one right here, one right there, and one right here, and one right there. So let me put my phone down so I can unscrew those two. Let me see. Yeah.
Look at me. Grandpa.
Hold on. What? Yeah, looks good, baby. Oh, you got mascara on. Okay. Your mommy do that for you? That's pretty, baby. You. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Okay. See right here? After I got those full screw up, just you see, oh, I didn't know there's plenty of dirt in here. You just pull that. So I'll get a second video, okay? Because I had to use two hands. Okay. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the second one.